In this video, we're going to show you how to clean and check your board sensor. Board sensor is located on the bottom of the wide truck right under here. You can't see it unless you can get a mirror and look up from the bottom. But it's right here, and it's got a small window that needs to be clear of dust. So the two things you can do to clean it are to take a dry cloth and just wipe underneath here. You can feel the bump. It's where it's at. So you can wipe it with a dry cloth, and you can take some compressed air and blow it. You don't want to put a lot of air on it because you can actually force air into it, but you can blow it off a little bit with compressed air. In order to check the readings of the board sensor, you want to take a board, insert it into the machine all the way to the left-hand side. I'm going to crank the head down just like you would in a normal carving project. So you ratchet it over. And we're going to go ahead and turn the machine on. From the keypad, we're going to go to the options menu, which is 0. And then we're going to go to the sensor check menu, which is 7. And we're going to use the down arrow to go down to the option that says board sensor. And as you can see right to the right of the board sensor, you have a number. So the board sensor is just a sensor that uses reflected light to tell you if there's something underneath it. In the case of finding the edges, off the left-hand side, there's just a black painted piece of metal, and it should read 0 or 1. Very close to 0 when it's all the way to the left-hand side. So this is how we're going to check it. So you're going to push it all the way to the left-hand side. You're going to look at your screen and see what the reading is. A normal board sensor will read 0 or 1. Now, when you push it over the board, what we want to see on a medium color piece of wood is a reading of 100 or better. So 100 to 150 is a normal board sensor. If it's underneath that, you'll probably need to call CarveWright and talk with a technician. So you'll go all the way across the board looking at the sensor, looking for any dips or anything like that. And then once you go off the other side, it should also read 0 or 1. So that's how you check it. Again, the range that we want your board sensor to be is over 100. So that's how you check your board sensor.